So friends, first question is, what is full form of HDMI? So you have only 20 seconds to give answer of this question. So let's check the answer. Answer is high definition multimedia interface. Next question is, you have to find out the name of this personality. Okay, so correct option is Neeraj Chopra. So atom can neither be created nor destroyed. So this principle is given by, so basically you have to tell the name, and I think you have studied in class 6-7 also. So correct option is Dalton. So the brain of any computer system is, so basically CPU. CPU means central processing unit, is a brain of any computer system. Bluetooth technology allows. So basically in this question you have to tell how Bluetooth technology works, means what is basically working of Bluetooth technology. So here correct option is wireless communication between equipments, means by using a wireless you can communicate through your mobile phone. So there are many useful thing nowadays, so you can use by using Bluetooth. Now, which supercomputer is developed by the Indian scientist? So correct option is Param. Param is developed by Indian scientist. Which company's mobile phone are marketed with the slogan "Big inside, small outside"? Means this is a logo or a sentence which is used by a famous company. So name of that company is Samsung. Which one is known as Ding Express? So correct option is Hima Das. Hima Das is known as Ding Express. Which is the first digital state in India? So Kerala is correct option. Which city in India does Airtel launched 4G first? So correct option is Kolkata. Airtel launched 4G firstly in Kolkata, after that in all metro city. What is name of the educational TV channel for digital payment? So the correct option is Digi Shala. What is the full form of NRC? So full form of NRC is National Register of Citizen. Which of the following is used in pencil? So as we know, graphite is used in pencil. So correct option is graphite. PM Modi announced immediate relief of Rs crore to flood hit in Kerala. So correct option is 500, and this is a story about before 2 years. So that's why. Who is appointed as the brand ambassador by BSNL for 2 years? So correct option is Mary Com. Google launched a new search engine for scientists, data journalists. It is called as Dataset Search. Which country has recently announced to launch Mars mission Hope by 2020? So correct option is UAE. Synonyms of brief is short. Look at this series. Basically this is a series, and you have to tell which number should come next. So 7, 8, 8, 11, 9, 12. So just try to find out here. Plus 3, minus 2, plus 3, minus 2, plus 3, minus 2. So correct option is 10. The friction experienced by a body when in a motion is known as dynamic friction. Look at this series 22, 21, 23. So here you can see minus 1, plus 2, minus 1, plus 2. So you can find answer 25. Which country has become a popular hub of medical tourism? So correct option is India. India is now becoming medical hub or medical tourism. hub for medical tourism. Name of the cricket player who announced his retirement recently. So as you know, Ben Stokes is playing, Shikhar Dhawan is playing, Moeen Ali is playing, that is Alistair Cook. Scientists have developed a wireless in-body GPS which helps to track tumors inside the body. It is named as Remix. Google launched the latest version of Android operating system and it is named as Pie. Entomology is the science that studies behavior of human beings, insects. So correct option is insects. The gas usually filled in the electrical valve is nitrogen. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? So here speed is scalar quantity. Which Indian sports person was the India's flag bearer at the closing ceremony in the 18th Asian Games? So correct option is Rani Rampal. Rani Rampal is currently captain of Indian women hockey. Who among the following launched now Lekha for Indian language publisher? So correct option is Google. The hardest substance available on the earth is diamond. The most electronegative element among the following is fluorine. The purpose of choke in tube light is, so basically if you see the tube light, there is a choke also. Sometime we touch the choke to burn the tube light. So here correct option is to increase the voltage momentarily. Nuclear sizes are expressed in unit name is Fermi. Photosynthesis takes place faster in yellow light, white light, red light. So correct option is white light. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Asian Games gold in 400-meter run? So correct option is Kamaljit Sandhu. SQL stand for, structural query language. When used with an IC, what does the term quad indicate? So quad indicate means 4 circuit. Look at this series 31, 29, 25. So here you can see difference of -2, then -5, then -2, -5. So according this you can find correct option. The total motion possessed by the body is called momentum. This firm has been awarded the Marketer of the Year award by the International Advertising Association of India. So correct option is as usual Amul. India finishes the 18 Asian Games with how many medals? So India won 69th. The name of world first Hindi speaking robot is, so Hindi speaking robot is Rashmi. Who plans to launch world's first mission to touch the sun? So that is dream project of NASA. Which of the following is used as a lubricant? So correct option is graphite. The humidity of the air depends upon all of the above: temperature, location and weather also. The nuclear particles which are assumed to be hold the nucleus together are called mesons. DB, computer abbreviation, usually means database. Light from the sun reaches us in nearly in 8 minutes. Potato is a modified form of, correct option is stem. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in field of, that is literature and journalism. The transformer that develops the high voltage in a home television is commonly called as, that is called as flyback. Who was the first ODI captain for India? So first ODI captain for India was Ajit Wadekar. The lead character in the film The Bandit Queen has been played by, that is played by Seema Biswas. NASA selects Indian origin Sunita Williams for which program to International Space Station? That was Boeing. Which social network has announced that it is to introduce a time management tool which will be like a daily reminder? So correct option is Facebook. Who became the first Indian heptathlete to win a gold medal in 2018 Asian Games? So correct option is Swapna Burman. A common boundary between two systems is called, that is called interface. Periodically adding, changing and deleting file records is called file updating. The hexadecimal digits are 0 to 9 and 8 to F. Correct option is F. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton per meter. 1 Newton meter. Sorry. If the body falls freely under gravity, then the gravitational acceleration is taken as plus 9.8 meter per second square. Look at this series 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27. What number should come next? That will be 14. Just try to solve it. Here you can see the difference between this is 13, then that's why. The ozone layer restrict ultraviolet radiation. Ecology deals with what? Cell formation, tissue. So basically this deals with relation between organism and the environment. Heavy water is, so deuterium oxide is known as heavy water. The element common to all acid is, that is hydrogen. Soda water contains carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide. So this contain carbon dioxide. Which of the following properties of wave? The one that is independent of the other is its, that is called amplitude. The gas used in the manufacture of banaspati from vegetable oil is, that is hydrogen, which consists of two plates separated by a dielectric and can store a charge, that is called capacitor. The Asian Games were held in Delhi for the first time. So first time Asian Games held in Delhi, that was very behind 1951. The rate of change of displacement of a body is called, that is called velocity. Most soluble water is sugar. With which of technological giant Prasar Bharati joined hands to telecast 2018 Independence Day program live online? So correct option is Google. What of the following carries a negative charge? So beta particle. Balloon are filled with, so balloon will filled with helium gas. Which of the following is an element? So here element is diamond. A circuit component that opposes the change in circuit voltage is, that is capacitance. A PN junction is basically, that is an rectifier. So these are questions for the first series. In next video I will discuss some other questions. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.